Alam niyo ba, dito niyo matitikman ang best asado in salt and pepper. Ito yung bago dito sa Lido Cocina China at nakakatuwa kasi may bagong branch na sila dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Isa kasi to sa mga kilalang Chinese restaurants in Metro Manila. Kilala sila as the home of Chinese Pugon Roasted Asado, established by Chef Lido since 1936 pa. Kaya well-known at well-respected Chinese restaurant sila. Sa totoo lang, sulit balik-balikan ang Lido kasi masarap na, affordable pa. About their menu, ito yung highly recommended namin. Bago nila dito, asado in salt and pepper. I love the blend ng flavors, smoky taste, medyo spicy pero tolerable. Juicy at masarap, served with special vinegar sauce. Try nyo na rin dito ang mga best sellers nila. Shrimp Oyong, Hotaw Thai soup, grabe masarap din. We also tried radish cake in exo sauce, yang chow fried rice, and new in their menu, 8-spice ginger chicken na served hot and Cantonese-style crispy noodle. Nandito kami sa Bacoor Boulevard, bagong branch nila. Maganda yung location dito, malaki ang space with enough seating capacity, with private area for intimate gathering, relaxing yung ambience at walang problema sa parking. Eto pa, if walang time pumunta, maasahan nyo ang delivery services nila. Try nyo na rin umorder ng asado in salt and pepper. Very convenient at mabilis lang dumating. Thank you for watching Locals. Follow us for more.